I don't know if you can tell, but it's going down. And I missed it. I had to go to the bathroom. But it's gonna be bad if I drop this. But anyway, it's awesome. Man, look at that. And then, still got a ways to go. I must feel weird being in that boat. And it's just sinking. Like, that would be scary. Oops. There we go. We still got a while. Deep down. You see that? Look. That is where the water was. It's way down there now. So it's like gonna look so cool when it comes, when like it's waiting to come back in, because it's like, it's so awesome. Never seen it before. It's so awesome. I might post this on YouTube. I think I am. This is my first YouTube video. So everything's 24 karat. It's awesome. Very awesome. It's not all the time that you get it. My question is, where does the water go to? Like, seriously. Oh, it fills up that over there, and then it really doesn't fill up anything, it just takes it out. I think it stopped. No. It's still going. It must have on video. I swear it stopped. Oh, they can't see over there though. Ah! What you get? See those people over there? They can't see as good as we can. We got the good view. I swear it's not going down anymore. Yes it is. Yes it is. Let's show you the front. Yes, I'm taking the risk of putting my phone out here. Who cares though? Because it's a sucky phone. Oh yeah. A beach house in Miami. Sorry guys, I like singing, so if I post this on YouTube, like, I'm sorry that I sing a lot. I just really like singing. Dad, pull up your darn pants. That's nasty. Is it still going? I'm getting tired of recording. I like the red one, the green one. I like the red one. I don't know what color that is now. Calm down too much. Are they starting? Oh, cold freak. water like that. I swear it's still going down. I'm gonna post this on YouTube. Jump in the Cadillac, good drive for me. You deserve it, baby. You deserve it, baby. Oh, you. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. It's leaking out water.
Huh?
True. I'm posting this on YouTube. Look at that. I mean, just look at that. It looks really cool up here. That went down pretty fast, though.
Dude, you can tell what it did.
Oh, that car's leaving.
Oh, he's opening it.
Oh.
Yeah, look.
And the car just go and pull it up right there and leave it there. And then pull the other one in, and then where they could just automatically hook up and leave.